Hi Nancy,
Hi,
I'm going to have a birthday party on this Friday. Would you like to come?
of course I would. I like the party and I like to eat foods for free.
Okay, don't miss it.
Wait, will you have that delicious cake at your party?
Cake? Which one? Strawberry or blueberry cake? We've eaten many kinds of cake.
No, not that one. The creamy and sweet one. It's flat, round cake. I think it made from potatoes or something like that. You said your mom made it because she missed at her hometown. Oh yeah, you brought it to school and we ate it together at lunch.
I think you are talking about Kuala Lumpur.
Yes, that is. You said it's called Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, it's from Sidoarjo, my mom's hometown.
Will I find it at your party? I can't find it here. I miss it. It's so yummy.
I will ask my mom to make it. She will be happy to hear that you really like it.
Yeah, and I will be happy to eat it.
Don't forget, this Friday at 7 p.m.
Noted. I will be there in time.
As you should.